Good morning. Amit.
Very good morning, sir.
I need some clarification on some fire and safety related topic. Could you help me on that?
Go ahead, please, sir.
Can you tell me difference between auto ignition temperature, flash point, and the fire point?
The auto-ignition temperature is the ignition temperature of a substance in a solid, liquid, or gaseous state and is defined by the minimum temperature required to start or cause combustion without an igniting element. The ignition temperature is also called the auto-ignition temperature or apparent ignition temperature.
Oh, is it? Then, what is the flash point?
Flash point is the minimum temperature at which a liquid gives off vapor in sufficient concentration to form an ignitable mixture with the air near the surface of the liquid in the presence of an ignition source. The lower the flash point, the easier it is to ignite a liquid solvent.
That's great. Then, how the fire point is different from these two?
And lastly, the fire point, or the fire temperature, is the minimum temperature at which a flammable or combustible liquid, as herein defined, and some volatile combustible solids will evolve sufficient vapor to produce a mixture with air that will support sustained combustion when exposed to a source of ignition, such as a spark or flame. In a word, fire point, or fire temperature, is the minimum temperature required to sustain any fire.
Wow! I really appreciate your domain knowledge.
Thank you, sir, for the compliment.
Have you by any chance ever worked in oil and gas industry?
I have been working in the safety section of the oil and gas industry for the last 15 years.
I see.